Saturday football at UNEC for the very last time. Just like in Switzerland, playing football with his friends has become a weekly joy for Ezenwa and the boys. But today was the last training.
Go that side, God say go that side.
But now it was time for a farewell.
I'm gonna miss you guys.
Coach insisted Ezenwa gets a proper send-off. Ezenwa, last training in Enugu.
Last training with my teammates.
Sorry,
I'm gonna miss them.
Did you score today?
I didn't score, but I had a good game.
As usual.
Yeah, as usual. I play in the position where I'm to make the game, not to score.
Are you sure?
But the opportunity
I
comes
saw you
to
in
score.
front though.
Yeah. So not good. I go and come. I come. So, yeah.
So what's gonna happen now?
So we're going for a little bit refreshments, after the game, just to say bye-bye to the team. After go somewhere next time. I'm gonna Abacha. Where is the bone? Where Mmanya?
Okay. Let's see. I know. Coach gave a little speech.
Not just celebrating his departing from us for now. We're also celebrating the family at large. He himself, his amiable wife, his lovely kids, Chijioke and Chijioke, who happens to be wonderful kids. You know the business of the game. Chijioke, in a great way, has recorded 2 victorious goals that made him sign his signature in a team that is older than him. I don't know if Chijioke is up to 14 years. He's 11. He's 11 according to the father, but the team is 14 years old and he came. He recorded 2 goals and he's going. That's making him a hero. I have to and I don't think, or do I say, Chijioke have scored more goals than his father. Is it true? Okay. Honestly, I must have to say it's a very, very wonderful and beautiful moment we have and share with you guys. On behalf of the base LC, I want to say that you guys are great, you guys are wonderful. Regardless the fact that they came all the way from uptown, coming in, getting in with full adaptation, without trying to open about the weather, the environment, the nature of the atmosphere, and the different characters of the different human beings. They were able to adapt and carry on. They were able to adapt and carry on with whatever we are doing. And I also want to appreciate them, and they also appreciate us too for giving them a soft landing. Say it and I want to say it again. Ezenwa and family, on behalf of the Games, the Boko of Enugu, we welcome you guys, and we said that we're going to miss you guys greatly. It's not easy, and we wish to see you guys and have you guys in the near future, neither here or there. We're going to meet again, and whenever you guys feel like coming back to Nigeria again to spend this kind of a long holiday, always feel free to come here. There is your home, there is your land, there is your land and everything. We welcome you guys, we appreciate you guys. Thank you once again. Before I proceed, even if it's 30 seconds.
Of course, Ezenwa also had to talk his own.
The best FC. The best FC. The best FC.
Wow, what a day. My brothers. I don't know how to start anyway. I just want to use this opportunity just to thank each and every one of you for accepting me in your team. You know, I've not been long here, but for this little time I spent with you guys has been a wonderful time. It's more or less like a brother thing, you know? Though we see only once in a week, but the joy have always been marvelous, you know? So, but one thing, I don't have much to say, but just on me and on behalf of my family, like I thank you guys. I just want to tell you that I'm still part and parcel of you guys, you know? That we are leaving, you know, quite a long time now. Doesn't mean that I'm leaving the team. You know, I'm in the platform, and I'll keep in touch, okay? So you guys also somehow in spirit. Anytime I'm around here, definitely I'll be coming in. So you guys should keep it up. Coach Awila, the youngest coach. Coach, I thank you for your coordination, how you're coordinating this team since 14 good years. You know, it's not been easy. And from here, we're going to Rangers now, and then from Rangers, go to your own team. Then from there, Continental, then from there, International. So we thank you. So much, and I thank you to each and every one of you. And I just pray that you guys should, you know, remain unity the way you guys are. Okay? God bless you all.
And then Coach asked me to also say something in Igbo.
30 seconds is okay. Igbo language. Igbo is not Igbo.
When you're in here, because
it's okay. Okay, listen.
Now let me say something. Dimbu is going your ball. This is why Obi with you guys.
And it was time to eat. And we started to sing and started to drink and sing some more. Goodbye until we score again.